Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to make custom Canva frame. I'm using software Photoshop, Inkscape, and Microsoft PowerPoint. If you can using vector program like Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW, it will be more faster. So happy watching. First of all, you can load your image here into Photoshop, and then you can separate it the picture part to part by using a pen tool. Become part like this. Okay, and then after you trace all the image, you can copy the image and then make it black like this with pen tool or pen bucket, and then you can copy the original image and then make it the shadows like this by using filter this one, blur, Gaussian blur, and then you can choose the radius for the shadow that you want. And then we have to make the black and white things like this, or the way is using filter gallery, and then you can using photocopy and then setting the detail and darkness as you want. And then you have to save all the part one by one as PNG. Okay. Now after you have finished save all the part into PNG, you can open the Inkscape and then you can open your image by using open or this icon, and then you can select the image and then you can right click and then trace the bitmap. This window will open. You can use single scan because we already make it the color black, so it will easily tracing. This is the preview, and then you just will apply, and then you will get this SVG file. This is the original one, and then you can just save it here as SVG file. You can do it same to all the file that you save as PNG before. Okay, now we are moving to PowerPoint. We will insert all the SVG file into PowerPoint. We will using insert picture, and then we will insert the shadows, and then the black and white picture, and then all the SVG file like this. You can convert it to shape if you not delete the original one before, and then you can delete the picture, leave it the shape here, and then you can format shape and fill and using picture, and then you can insert the picture you want. Actually, you can just make the mock-up throughout the PowerPoint without have to moving into Canva. It will be more easier. So if you just want to make it on PowerPoint, you can just play the transparency here. So it will be something like this. See, this is what I'm talking about. But if you're not satisfied and you still want to make it in Canva, we will continue into Canva. And the last thing, after you put the image on the SVG file, you can save the file as PDF before upload it into Canva. Okay, now in Canva, you can upload your PDF file here. You can drop your file or browse them, and then we can start edit the Canva frame that we already made before. Here's the one that I already made before. We can change the picture just by delete each one the part that we already made. Make sure the shadow and the black and white file already there, and then we can play the transparency so it will be more look like real. Like this, we can put it there, or we can put something like that, and that, and then we are ready to go. You can also play the contrast here as you want. Or things as this, so it will be more look lively. So that's all my tutorial for today. I hope it will be useful for you. I'm sorry if my explanation not really well, but I tried to explain to you how to make it. So have a good day. If you have any question, you can just contact me on my social media. See you next time.